Imagine a single leaf so powerful it's called Alemlami, the world's healer, right here in Ethiopia. This isn't just folklore, it's tradition meeting science, a miracle plant that saved families from famine. It reverses malnutrition, supports immunity, and nourishes communities. Yet millions overlook it, even where it grows abundantly. Moringa, Ethiopia's secret superleaf, called Alemlami for a reason, a leaf packed with vitamins and healing compounds. Science meets tradition in Moringa's power. Let's uncover the right way to use it. From Conso to global labs, this is Ethiopia's gift to the world. Stay with us. Practical tips and science-backed uses ahead. Start small, think big. This leaf feeds, heals, and empowers. And today we'll show you how to harness it the right way. Hit subscribe for evidence-based practical health tips. First, a look at how Ethiopians have used it for generations. From wat to tea, simple, nourishing, time-tested. Let's begin. Moringa isn't another influencer fad. In Ethiopia, it's Alemlami, a lifeline. In Conso, Gamogofa, and Sidama, families rely on it during droughts. Generations have used it to survive lean seasons. A 2015 study from Addis Ababa University found children consuming Moringa had 30% higher vitamin A and better growth. The World Health Organization in 2020 highlighted Moringa's role in fighting malnutrition. Here's the simple math. 100 grams of leaves packs huge nutrition. More protein than yogurt, more vitamin C than oranges, and far more calcium than milk. This concentrated profile explains its impact on community nutrition. No wonder local diets lean on it where resources are scarce. It's not only science, it's cultural knowledge passed through families. Regions across southern Ethiopia have long integrated it into meals and medicine, and modern studies echo that traditional wisdom. Next, the science behind these claims. Antioxidants, blood sugar control, heart health, and more. We'll reference recent clinical trials and meta-analyses. Let's dive in. Moringa is an antioxidant powerhouse, rich in quercetin, chlorogenic acid, and beta-carotene. A 2022 study confirmed these compounds neutralize free radicals, lowering inflammation. Jimma University research 2018 showed Moringa leaf extracts reduce oxidative stress in animal models by 40%. For blood sugar control, recent trials are promising. A 2023 randomized trial found 2 grams daily lowered fasting glucose by about 15% in type 2 diabetes. Arba Minch University reported similar insulin sensitivity improvements locally. Isothiocyanates in Moringa act as natural vasodilators. A 2020 study showed reductions in systolic blood pressure of 10 to 15 mmHg. Communities that eat Moringa often report lower cholesterol and healthier hearts, packed with vitamins and minerals that support immune function. Studies showed HIV-positive patients had higher CD4 counts and fewer infections with Moringa supplementation. A 2024 scientific report study found Moringa extracts inhibit pathogens like E. coli and S. aureus. From village kitchens to global labs, evidence spans contexts. This nutrient density explains much of Moringa's broad benefits. Next, real-world uses in Ethiopian homes and programs. In southern Ethiopia, Moringa is a daily staple. Cooked, dried, powdered, and shared. Fresh leaves go into wat, porridge, and injera batter. Dried leaves become powder that stretches limited food supplies. In Conso, 75% of households rely on Moringa during dry seasons. Feeding programs have reduced child stunting significantly in trials. A 2023 global food security study reported 20% reductions in stunting within 6 months. Neighboring Kenya saw vitamin A deficiency drop by 35% in school programs. Local commerce around Moringa supports households financially. Traditional techniques meet modern distribution to scale impact. It's food, medicine, and social glue, a resilient crop for fragile landscapes. Up next, practical science-backed preparation tips you can use at home. To unlock Moringa's benefits, use it correctly. Here are 3 best ways: fresh leaves, tea, and powder. Each has benefits. First, fresh leaves. Add a handful to stews, salads, or smoothies. Steam lightly. A 2020 study found steaming preserves 90% of vitamin C versus boiling. Light, short cooking keeps nutrients intact. Second, Moringa tea. Steep 1 to 2 teaspoons in hot, not boiling water for 5 to 7 minutes. This preserves delicate compounds and flavor. A Sidama trial found Moringa tea boosted iron absorption in women by about 25%. A simple daily ritual with tangible benefits. Third, Moringa powder. Mix 1 to 2 teaspoons into drinks or meals daily. A 2022 review supports 2 grams daily as beneficial without digestive side effects. Easily added to smoothies, porridge, or yogurt for a nutrient boost. A few precautions to keep in mind. Pregnant women should consult a doctor. Some compounds may stimulate contractions. If you take blood pressure or diabetes medication, monitor levels. Moringa can amplify drug effects. Start small to avoid mild stomach upset and build tolerance. Harvest fresh, steam lightly, or use 1-2 teaspoons of powder. Simple habits, big benefits. Fresh, tea, or powder. Choose what fits your life. Up next, how Moringa transforms communities, economies, and ecosystems. Moringa is more than a health food. It's a social and environmental game changer. Cultivation provides income, especially for rural women. Ethiopia's Ministry of Agriculture reported women increased income roughly 30% from Moringa sales. Moringa seeds can also purify water, an affordable local solution. Jimma University, 2024, confirmed seed powder removes bacteria and heavy metals at high rates, a low-tech method with major public health potential. Moringa's deep roots reduce erosion and its fast growth sequesters carbon. Studies note Moringa's role in climate resilience, a tree that nourishes soil as it nourishes people. Training and cooperatives scale benefits from seed to shelf. Food security programs translate to healthier, more resilient kids. Local value chains keep profits in communities. One tree feeds, heals, empowers, and cleans. A true Alemlami. Moringa intersects health, economy, and environment. Finally, practical next steps and a call to action. Ethiopia's Alemlami, the Moringa leaf, is a gift to the world. Start small, a teaspoon of powder, a cup of tea, or a handful of leaves. Share it with your family, feel the energy, embrace the healing. Find recipes, credible suppliers, and open access studies linked below. Subscribe and share this knowledge. Spread the power of Alemlami. The world's healer isn't locked in a lab. It's growing in Ethiopia's soil. One tree can change lives, communities, and futures. Start today, heal tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Explore the links and join the movement.